that what it says? Right. Let's see. Let me see.
Sing Jingle Bells.
No. La 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 la. The end. La 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 la.
What's Santa Claus gonna bring you?
Nothing. How about I sing? We don't know.
This is Corey's cookies and milk that he left out for Ho-Ho.
So he likes Band-Aids. Oh my God.
Shampoo.
Oh, shampoo. He doesn't look good. Sesame Street vitamins, Mom. Band-Aids. They don't maybe had to get a little box of Band-Aids, Grandma.
Hi, guys. I didn't know that.
Oh, he likes Band-Aids. Hey. Oh, Sissy, go get his little dog and put on him.
Oh.
Look, your Mom, Sesame. Get his little dog and put on him.
Up and down, making all these little boys and girls happy, huh? Hang on.
Not the not a me.
First. Claus, right? You want to see what Santa Claus had? Look, he had everything that you gave him. Come here. Come here, some of that. Come here, some of that.
We give him some of each sandwich.
Let's see what he's told you.
Mommy
Let's
said
get it
he gave you some of his candy.
Oh, since December 1989. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Dear Corey, I want to thank you very much for the milk and cookies. They were very, very good. Especially the Sugar Bear. That's the one Marie gave you, huh? Yeah. When I come to see you next year, I want you to be sleeping in your own bed. See you next year. Love, Santa Claus. Hugs and kisses. Oh,
Did he
boy.
leave you a letter?
Yeah, you want to see it? Go show Grandma. Go show Grandma.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, yeah, that.
Show him how the thing works.
Can't stand here all day.
Corey's got Grandma covered, locked to the. Corey's got Grandma cuffed to the chair. Can't find the keys. The keys are lost. Oh my gosh.
Tell him why you have her handcuffed, Corey. Butter, come on, some apple butter. I want fun. Look at it has, Johnny has different colors on it, light.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay, that's in here?
Yeah, has green, red. Yeah. Hang back my table off. Centerpiece and everything. Huh? Hang back my centerpiece and everything. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Johnny has more fun with the toys than
Teresa,
the kids do.
light my candle. Daddy won't. Teresa, okay. Light my candle. Daddy won't.
I almost couldn't get him out of the drugstore the one day they were buying some little toys for the kids.
Guess what we get done?
He didn't want to leave. I'm going, let's go, they're just closing.
I don't want to.
Not bad. You got it.
I don't want to get started now, but Corey's gonna get started. Everybody's been a kid, even Grandma.
There you go.
Weren't you? Everybody's been a kid too.
Corey, why don't you go show Johnny your guitar? No, not right now.
Not right now. No, don't wait.
No,
No.
We'll
Wait till I
play
get.
Wait till after dinner.
Teresa, I could kill you. Or Sonya, whichever one said that.
Teresa.
Teresa.
Sonya. I didn't.
Picture
You
that.
liar. Turn it down real low. Hey, Grandpa, he's gonna be rocker.
Oh, come on, now you'll wake Grandpa.
Real low, real
Real
low.
low, now you'll wake Grandpa Sandman.
Only like that.
Come over here and show Johnny how you hold your foot. No, this is pat, set, flip. show Johnny how you play. Scoot over, Grandma. Got that foot.
It's up here.
Not too loud, though. Not too loud. He acts so loud.
Oh yeah, I got it. That's pretty neat. Look at him this. Stand up.
Yeah, watch this.